lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time stopping here, you are more than welcome to click on the subscribe button and do turn on your post notifications to get notified every single time we upload a new video, which is at least once every week. Alright you guys, so we are having a major haul. I got this package from Shein. As per usual, we are going to be unboxing this together. I have not opened anything here. I've merely just opened the packaging. So this is from the Shein home section. All these items will be listed in the description box below. There are a few items in there. You can also get to use my discount code as displayed on your screen. You can also get to click on each individual item here and it will take you directly to the website and you'll be able to purchase using my discount code. All right, but I got these two silicone molds. These are just to help with collecting grease in my hair fryer. So yeah, these two came in a combo. You have the opportunity to choose and select different colors and different sizes. I love the fact that this will save me constant washing, and this is able to collect grease from like bacon and grilling meat and all of that. So yeah. Alright, so the next item is this 200-piece baking sheet parchment paper set. This also goes in the air fryer, so just in case I do not want to use the silicone ones, I'm looking for something disposable, I can use this. And this lasts a while. I got this in the size of my air fryer, so this will last me for a couple of months. The next item here is this 3-piece set. So I got one of these in the previous unboxing and I saw the combo to get 3, and so yeah, I jumped on that. So these I'm going to be making my overnight porridges in. I'm also going to be making a couple of salads to take to work. So these are very good for like I said, so for oats and cereal. I currently have a pink one that has my cereal in it, so that means I have 2 pink ones and then this white and green one. So yeah, this would be very good for like on the go salads or on the go breakfasts. They always come with their own spoons attached in there. They're really good and it seals very well. So the capacity of each of them is 600 milliliters, which holds quite a few things. So yeah. Next item here is a keyboard. This is a folding Bluetooth keyboard. I got this to use my phone on. It opens up like this. You get the full keyboard on there. It has a USB cord. So there are a couple of buttons here. So this is it has a off and on button. It also has a connect button for your Bluetooth. It also comes with a manual. You can use this on Android and iOS devices. I'm trying to see if it has any ports. Yeah, it only has 1 port and that's for charging or simply connecting it to your devices. The next product I have here is for my boys. So this is a rotating pencil container. Actually it's just an organizer. It's a rotating organizer. Has some grips on the end here just to help it adhere to surfaces. So I intend to use this for my boys and their doodle pens. I'm also thinking of getting another one of these for my makeup brushes so that I can spin my brushes. But anyway, you can use this for a number of things. I intend to use this for my boys' coloring pens. The next item we have here is a phone holder for the car. So this device can be put on the windscreen just so that your phone is a lot more elevated and it's not downward facing. So this just goes, this comes off. Oh, it has a sticky bit on it, so I better leave this on. It says it has a strong hold and the reviews were quite good. The next item we have here is a rechargeable cleaning brush, and I got this to clean a number of surfaces because to deep clean I need more elbow grease. And so I saw this device on the Shein website. It comes with a number of attachments. So it has like a foam bit, it has like a green scarab bit, it has a brush attachment, it has an iron sponge attachment, it has a manual USB charger, and this is the device itself. Comes in a number of colors. I think there were 2 colors. There was white and this color. So it has 2 flaps here just on the top. On the top here, this one is the power button. Simply the power button, you just click on that to turn the device on, and this is the part where you charge it. This device can be charged and can be used without plugging it in. So you just simply attach one of the devices into this slot here. You wait for a clicking sound and press on the power button, and then it goes to work. But I have to charge this first. I saw someone in the comments section say that they use this to wash their tires for their car. Even though I will not go to that extreme, I feel like it can be used for a number of surfaces, and I am looking forward to using this to wash and deep clean places around the house. My bathtub is one of those places. So the next item is this small portable juicer, and this is what I'm going to be using to replace my smoothie blender, because my smoothie blender is doing the work of my actual blender right now, and I can't seem to separate it from pepper ingredients. So I've gotten this portable one. This one I can take on the go. Plus it comes with a number of attachments, so I'm not just going to be able to make smoothies, I'm going to be able to carry it around in this travel cup here. The comment section also says that it seals nicely. Also comes with a USB charger. Anyway, this is what it looks like. So you can go around with this. This lid also fits on this as well. The only thing I'm wondering about is if I'm able to detach this so as to be able to wash this bit. Anyway, these 2 jugs are interchangeable. This is what the power button looks like, and just underneath here is the charging port. It also has a grip base here just to be able to hold on to surfaces. Plus you get an instructional manual in the box as well. This is what this is looking like. I'm really excited for this because that means that I have a dedicated juicer right now. Alright you guys, so the next item I'm going to be unboxing is this karaoke machine that I like to call it a karaoke machine, but it's basically a karaoke box. It comes with a USB charger. This is a C-type charger, an operational manual. You also get not 1 but 2 mics. This is what the mics look like. So there's a power button, there's a volume up and down button, and then there is the, I think it's a mute your mic kind of button. So this is what the speaker looks like. It has a bass here, and these are the speakers on both sides. You also have the charging port back there. There's a USB port as well, just to plug in your flash drives or to basically hook it up with your TV. You also have a couple of buttons at the top here, just for additional functionalities. You guys, I cannot wait to try this with these boys. I'm testing this. It's giving a echo. Hello. Hello. Hello, Twitter. Testing the microphone. My boys will be disturbing the entire neighborhood with this thing. Anyway, I don't even know if I'm to turn this mic off or not. It's giving me one kind of presenter vibe. But anyway, I'm just going to faff around with this. Can you even hear me? The echo is a lot. Is there a way we can reduce this? Hello? Anyway, you guys, enough about that. I'll get to understand it in the sweet by and by. Oh, this is looking different. So this is supposed to be a really tall plant, but this is how it has come. It didn't even come in a pot. But anyway, I'm going to set this up and put that behind me there. because this backdrop here is needing some life. So this next item is a AirPod set. So it comes with a USB cable, a manual, extra studs for the ears. It has no name on it. It's charged 100%. But anyway, let's see how this one plays out. I haven't tried it out yet, but I'll let you guys know. This next item is so timely because my headphones recently got broken, and that thing and me, we are like 5 and 6. I hardly go anywhere in this house. Even to work, I take it to work and I use it on the bus back home. I've been seeing this on the Shein website for a while. I'm hoping that it is as good as the one that I had before. This is what it looks like. Comes with an attachment here. Also comes with a C-type USB charger, and this is what it is looking like. Not bad. Looks a bit cheap, if I dare say, but yeah, should do the work for now. It has some noise cancellation effect because I can hardly hear myself speak. But yeah, this is the next item, and this is just a kitchen tool that I got to be able to hang up my spoons and pot cover when I'm cooking. So this bit goes here, and this is what it looks like. So the pot cover goes here and it rests, continues to drip, while the spoons and whatever I'm cooking with, my spatulas, can rest here, and all the sauce and oil and everything doesn't go all over my kitchen counter. So this is just going to help with spillage and all of that. So yeah, it's completely washable. It doesn't say whether it is dishwasher or microwave safe, but I don't see in any situation or circumstance that this will enter a microwave. However, I am not sure, and I cannot advise you to put this in a dishwasher because it might not hold up with the heat. I'm just saying. I also got this 3-piece organizer set. I thought it was going to be big enough to hold at least A4 paper, but because it is not enough, or it doesn't look big enough for what I want to use it for, I might repurpose this and put this in the fridge just for organization. So I'm just going to be putting some vegetables, yeah, and peppers in them. Fruits that go in the fridge might also end up in these. Last but not the least is this shoe rack. So I will assemble this and put this on the side so you get to see it. This is a 10-layer shoe rack, and that's because my shoes need a home. They need a place to stay. I got this just to help us organize our shoes a lot better. So yeah, this is going to be going in a communal area so that everyone can get to use it, especially for my boys. When they come back from school, they just take off their shoes in front of the house, and the front of my house sometimes look like a shrine or a mosque, the entrance of a mosque. So I need to combat that and just help my house look aesthetically pleasing. That's the whole point of this whole haul. Anyway, you guys, if you see anything that you like or anything you would love to get from the Shein website, remember I told you my link will be on your screen. It will also be in the description box below. Do want to click on that and it will take you directly to their website. Thank you again to Shein for sponsoring this video. I will see you guys in the next one.